We've all been there, right? You build this absolute monster of a creative rig.
Right.
It can render anything, but the trade-off is, well, your office now sounds like a wind tunnel.
And it feels like a sauna. It's that classic battle, isn't it? You need all that power, but you also need, a quiet space to actually create anything.
Exactly. And that's sort of the problem that today's device is trying to solve. We're doing a deep dive on the AdderLink Infinity ALIF4001R-US.
It's a high-performance KVM receiver, and its whole job is to let you move that noisy hot computer into another room entirely.
Without any compromises at your desk.
Yeah, and the headline claim is, it's a big one, they're calling it the world's first dual-head 5K high-performance IP KVM over a single fiber connection.
A single connection.
Yeah.
That's a huge engineering flex, to be honest. I mean, pushing two 5K displays, we're talking massive resolution here, usually means some serious compression.
Right, you'd expect to see artifacts, maybe a bit of lag, but the key term they use is spatially lossless.
Okay, so what does that actually mean in practice?
It means it has one-to-one pixel mapping. The digital video that arrives at your monitor is mathematically identical to the video that left the remote computer. It's not like streaming a movie.
Ah, so there's no algorithm trying to save bandwidth by, fudging the details.
Exactly. And if you're a colorist or a VFX artist, that's everything. You can't be second-guessing if a visual flaw is in your source file or if it's just your extender acting up.
That makes sense. And it supports 10-bit color, HDR10, all the good stuff.
All of it. Plus, for motion, it can go up to 240 hertz at HD resolution, so it's super smooth.
All right, so the video part is solid, but input lag is usually where these remote setups just fall apart. I was reading about something called isochronous communication. That sounds important.
It is. It's pretty much the secret sauce for the USB performance. See, normal USB data just bursts across whenever it can.
Which is fine for a mouse, maybe.
Right. But isochronous communication guarantees a continuous real-time flow of data. It's all about the timing.
So that's why they can specifically call out support for really complex tools. Things like the Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve panels or those 3D mice.
Precisely. Those aren't just simple peripherals. They're constantly sending data back and forth. Any jitter, and they feel awful to use. This makes it feel like it's plugged right in.
Okay, let's talk about getting this thing hooked up. Usually when I hear fiber KVM, I imagine a huge, expensive installation job.
You'd think so, but it's actually really flexible. It's got multi-gigabit Ethernet support.
Meaning
Meaning you can actually run this over standard CT6 copper cable up to 100 meters. You might already have the wiring you need.
wow, okay. And if you need to go further, or you just want that total electrical isolation,
Then you've got the SFP cages. You just pop in a fiber module and you're good to go.
that's pretty smart. I also saw it has dual ports for teaming, so that's for redundancy.
Yep. If you're in a live broadcast and one cable gets kicked out, the other one takes over instantly. For a professional workflow, that's not a luxury. It's a necessity.
And the build itself is clearly pro-grade. It's all aluminum and steel. This isn't some plastic gadget for your desk.
No, it's designed to live in a server rack. And it's backwards compatible with their whole existing AdderLink Infinity range, so it slots right into an existing setup.
Of course, something built like this has a price to match. I was looking at an MSRP of around $3,000.
Yeah, somewhere in that ballpark. It's definitely an investment in your studio's infrastructure, not just an accessory.
But the pitch is extension without compromise.
Mm-hmm.
You get your dual 5K video, your specialized USB tools, all working perfectly.
And you get a silent room.
It really makes you think about what a workstation even is anymore. I mean, if isochronous communication means your most complex creative tools work perfectly from 100 meters away, do you ever need to see your computer tower again?
That really seems to be the end goal here, doesn't it? Just you, your screens, and a perfectly quiet space to work.